Hello everyone, this is Srikanth, working as assistant professor from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In this video, I want to discuss about LeetCode problem number 215. Okay, I'm not explaining order. We have different AG programs we have. So compared to basic programs, compared to all programs, I'm discussing basic programs. So in that, one of the problem is find the difference. See this. Last time we discussed about the add, but this case find the difference of two arrays. So find the difference of two arrays. Again, last time we discussed about add two numbers, like sum of two numbers is there, like odd numbers. This is different program. We need to find out the difference from two arrays. We have the two arrays. We need to check the difference. Remember this. So it's a very simple logic. We have the different logic also. We discuss all logics, which logics we have. Yeah. Problem statement is he given two arrays, num1 as well as num2. He given two arrays and return again list. Remember this. We need to return the list, not again any other values. We need to return the list with the size of 2. So that means we need to return the list with the size of 2 means the given the two arrays. I have two arrays. So which answer we have? That is again the return list having two length is only 2. So first one, 0th index and 1th index, he given what you required. So in 0th index, again it's a list. In that list, we need to find out what is the difference. So what is the main numbers we have. Suppose num1 we have some numbers, it's not having in num2. So in 0th index, it's 0th index means this position, I have one more list, that list values not having in num2. So I need to compare with the num1 values with the num2. If you suppose which numbers not having, that will be replaced in the 0th index. In 1th index, and it again, I have one more list. In this list, and it replace the values. And it store the values with the num2 values not having in num1. That is the difference. We need to find out the difference. That is the simple logic. We'll discuss the example, then we'll get some idea. Check it now. Here, num1 is 123, 123, and here 2, 4, 6. These are the numbers he given. Now your aim is one particular list, 0th index as well as 1th index. 0th index also on list. So in that list, we need to represent with unique values. Not unique values, you can say not having in num2. So num1 values not having in num2. So 1 is there in your num2. So this is number 1 values, num1's values. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 is in your num2. So 1, 2 is not there. So 1 in nums2, we don't have 1. So we need to represent with 1. We need to replace with append the number 1 value. 2, yes, 2 is there. That means no need to append, no need to add those values, 2 values in that particular 0th index. Next one is 3. 3 is not there. That means we need to add the 3. So here we need to cross check with your particular numbers, num1 values with the num2 values. So num1, some values we have, that is having in num2 means no need to append. If suppose not there, then we need to append the values. Now one more index. 2. 2 having in your num1, yes, then no need to append. Next to 4. 4 doesn't have. So that means in 1th index, I need to append the values 4. 6 is not there. Then append the value 6. So this is your output. So if you cross check your output also here. Once again. So here 1, 3 and 4, 6. 1, 3 and 4, these are your outputs. Now coming to second example. See now 1 is there. Yes, no need to append even 0. So again our output is 0th index as well as 1th index. 0th index also on list. 1th index also has a list. Now 1 is there. Yes, number 1 nums 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 3. Again 1, 2, 2, 2. So we have different numbers. Now 1 is there in num2. Yes, 1 is there. Then no need to append. 2 is there. Yes, 2 is there. No need to append. Then 3 is there. 3 is not there. Then we need to append 3. Again 3. So again 3 means 3 already appended. Then again duplicate values. Here no need to append the duplicate values also. That is the second condition. So first condition is we need to replace the values. We need to append the values which are not having in num2. Next one is duplicate also not allowed. So if you have the 3 already appended, again you want to append, then no need to append the values. So here no need to append the 3 again. Coming to reverse case. So 1 is there. Again 1. Already cross check, no need to worry about that. Again 2 is there. Yes, 2 also is there. Again 2 already cross check. So here it's a empty list. So one index we have the empty list. This is your answer. 3 comma empty list. 3 is one list and one more list is empty. So this is about problem statement. So problem statement is very clear in LeetCode. The problem statements are very clear. So no need to worry about that. So your aim is I have the 2 numbers num1 and num2. Then we need to append, like I need to return the answer with the 2 indexes, 0th index as well as 1th index. 0th index means num1 values not having in num2, those values you need to append in 0th index. Like 1th index means num2 values not having in num1, those values you need to append in your 1th index. Okay, we'll discuss which method is better. Now coming to an example. So we need to follow the basic method. First we need to follow the basic using for loop. Then which is the better compared to for loop, which is the better, we'll discuss. Now what is the first aim? First aim is we need to travel 1, 2, 3 one by one. Okay, we need to travel. First is I need 1, then 2, then 3. I will travel 1 by 1. Then 1 I need to cross check with num2. 2 I need to cross check with num2. 3 I need to cross check with num3. This is the process. So can I get the 1 by 1 values? Yes. What is the logic? Using for loop. Using for your I in your nums1. Done. I started my I equal nothing but again 1, 2, 3 1 by 1. Now what is your aim? So I need to cross check that 1 is in your num2 or not. So here I need to write the condition if your value, which value I, y is nothing but not 0, 1, 2, 3 here. If you write the range, if you want to write the for in range means we have indexes. But here I am directly considering those values from the list. So list having 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1 by will get. So 1 is having in num2. Then simple condition if your I not in your num2. Simple condition. What is that? If your I not in num2. So I have the particular num2 values. Those are 2, 4, 6. Now first one is 1. 1 is your num2. So not there. Then what I do? So your output is not particular single like 1D array. It's a 2D array. 2D array means your return type. This is your return type. In the return type I have list. If suppose not there means I need to return the empty list. Then I need to consider 2 things. One is like any other variable names. Suppose x and y. X is for num1 difference and y is num2 difference. I need to consider before itself. So my x values, this is my x values and this is my y values. So this is my 0th index and this is my 1th index. So for my return purpose. 0th index, what is your aim? Your 0th index, I need to replace, I need to append the data num1 values. So I need to cross check num1 values with num2 values. So num1 I have like 1, 2, 3. Those values we have in your num2 or not. So we have the condition. If not there, then only append the values. Otherwise, no need to append, no need to add. So 1 is there, 1 is not there. So just check it. 1 in num2 is not there. Not there means we can append the value in your x. Add it. Then 2. 2 is there. Yes, 2 is there means no need to. So if this condition is true, then append the values. Append the values. Otherwise, no need to append in x. Done. Check it careful. We have some errors also. What is that error? We'll discuss. Now, next 2. 2 is there. Yes, 2 is there. Then no need to append. Then 3. 3 is there. 3 is not there. Then you can append. If 2 is there means no need to append. If 3 is not there, then you can append. Done. 0th index is done. Next, we have 1th index. 1th index means I need to cross check with reverse. Reverse means 2. 2 having in your, again using same for loop, again for I in range, I not range in nums2. I is not range in nums2. So we need to use now nums2 values. What is the nums2 values now? I equal to starting with 2, 4, 6, 1 by 1. Now 2 in your nums2, 2 in your nums1. So now is there. then no need to append. Again same if condition, the if condition is with the reverse, then no need to append. Then 4 is not there, then append the value. Then 6 is not there, append the value, then return that. What is that? 0th index x, 1th index y. Done. Your output is 1 comma 3, next 4 comma 6. It's over. This is your return answer. Guys, it's very simple. This is cross verifying one by one. But here your problem with the if suppose your input is duplicate numbers. We have second example like 1 1, then 3 3, some different values. In your output we have 1 1 2 2, some different numbers we have 2 2, some other, like otherwise even one more 2. Then this case we need to check the what is the using this condition, which condition? If I not in your nums1 or nums2, this condition, can you remove the duplicates? So you can't remove the duplicates. Then we need to add one more condition. What is that? Again your x also not having repeated values. Okay, one is not there in your num2, then so is there, then no need to append. 3 is not there, so in your x we added 3. Again suppose we have one more example, 1 1 3 3 2, then 3 1 is there, no need to append. Again 1 is there, no need to append, but 3 is not there, we need to append it. Again 3 is there, again we need to append. For using this logic, which logic we discussed, that using that logic we can append. That is wrong. So we need to remove the duplicate also. Then here we need to add one more condition, that is if I not in nums2 and, so we need to add one more condition, and also what is that? And with I not in x also. So 3 is there, again you need to append. That is the condition. If you want to change with for, you can change with the for one more condition. Clear? So this is the basic condition, but using this better we have one more. Using this we have the one more. We'll check it that particular logic also. One second. We'll go with code. So yeah, here I have empty. I will copy that input. Suppose I have this input. I will go with the second example input, guys. This is my inputs, but I want to write the method. So this is my method. Suppose my method name is function n1 comma n2. So these are my two numbers, two list. Now you want to write for or without for, that is depending upon you. So without for also we'll write. First I will discuss with for. So with for means what is the logic? So I need to create the two empty list. One is 0th index purpose, one is 1th index purpose. My return value is two indexes, 0th index purpose, 1th index purpose. So this is x value, this is a y value. So I want to create the first two empty list. So in my function I created my x equal to and y equal to. I created done. Then what is the next? Next is and start the for loop. So use the for loop for I in n1. So from the n1 I started my for loop. Done. Then what is the next? So your aim is what? Check the condition. What is the condition? If I not in num2, that is first condition, and I not in x also, not in num2 as well as not in x also. Better guys, you can write n1 n2 also you can write, but in LeetCode we have nums1 nums2, so better write here nums1 nums2. Okay, we'll write later, no problem. Now your condition is what? Even I am not in num2 as well as I not in x. So coming to this case, so your nums1 value is 1 2 3 3, first to 1. So using for loop, this for loop I have I values are 1, then 2, then 3, then 3. So I have 1 by 1. Done. Now first to 1 in your num2, this condition, check this condition. I is not in num2, but this condition is there. So then no need to worry about that. Over. Then again 2 in your num2. Yes, again this condition is false. It is there. I said not in num2, but we have the num2. So this 2 also not done. But now this case, what is that? 3 in your num2. Yes, 3 not in your num2. Then what is the meaning of that? So I need append the value in your x. X is 3. Over. Next one again 3. Again 3 means yes, not in your num2. This condition is true now. What is that condition? If not in num2 condition is true, but I said and. This is, we have the and operator. That means this need to true and this is also need to true. Both need to true. Then only condition will be satisfied. Now, this is true or not? Check it. This is true, not in num2, but this is I. I is 3. 3 not in your x. X previous case is empty. Then I appended, but this case I have 3. 3 is in your x. So this is false. This false means this total false. That means I again no need to append the values. So this is the logic with these conditions. Now here append the x values. Append x dot, append your I value. Over. Same thing, same for your num2 values. So num2 values and num1 not in num1 and not in your y also. Otherwise append into y. And what is the last case? Last and return your in list x comma y. Check it now. What is the x? X is 0th index. 0th index means nums1 difference and y-th index means nums2 difference. If you run it, just call the method. So I want to go for the add print function with nums1 comma nums2. Okay. So we have the 3 and empty list. If suppose I want to go for like 4. Here I want to go with 4. Then I have 3 comma 4. Done. So this is the like general conditions. But we have one more condition also. This is like a order of n, but we can use the order of 1. We have one more simple condition. Without this for loop, we can write the condition. So what is that logic? That logic is depending upon what? So that logic is depending upon set. If you know the set logic, then the code is within single line. You can write in single line also. If you know the set logic. So what is the set logic? So in the set, we have the difference, union, intersection. So this condition you can apply in set. In list, we don't have any those values. Remember that. So in set, we have the difference, intersection, union, keywords we have. You can use that one and get the answers. So same logic using the set logic, we can get this answer. So what does that means? Using num1. First one is nums1 set. What is the meaning of set? That means you can remove the duplicates, right? So using this, I remove the duplicate means we have 1 and 2 and 3. This is your set now. That is n nums1. Nums1 means 123. And next one what do we have? Nums2. Nums2 means again set with 1 comma 2 comma 4. See this. So nums1 and nums2, using the set, I convert into like unique values. So I remove the duplicates. Using set, I can remove the duplicates. So I remove the duplicates from my two num1, num2 to list you have. Now those are now sets. Now this you can use as directly. In previous case, x is a list. Now this case, x equal to what? n1 minus n2. Game is over. So what is the meaning of n1 minus n2? So n1 minus n2 means which numbers don't have like num2, that will be stored in your x. Now what is the meaning of that? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there. Your x equal to only 3. That is the logic with the set 2. So n1 minus n2 is enough to get this idea. So no need to write the for loop, no need to check the conditions, if conditions and if in num2, if in num. So no need to worry about all those things. We can get the directly. Your value is n1 minus n2 directly. Same thing, y equal to what? Your n2 minus n1. Then num2 value not having in num1, that will be your y value. Y value equal to 4. Or so this is the logic. But here one more small condition we have. I will discuss with the code once again. Okay. Now your aim is what? Your aim is remove all those things. No need to worry about that. First one, First one set. So your num1 equal to set with your n1. Same thing, n2 equal to set with n2 over. Then what is your x value? Directly s equal to your n1 minus n2 and y equal to n2 minus n1. Done. Now return your list x comma y. Here small error we have, we'll discuss now. If you want to run, then we'll get the idea. So if you run, then check it, your answer is in 0th index and 1st index. But in 0th index we need list like nothing but 2D array. But here we have what? Here we have sets. So general we have 3 comma 4. This is your answer. In general this is my answer. But coming to here, we haven't set. That means we need convert into what? List. We need convert into list. Check it. Now I am converting to list means single keyword. List. I am converting those n1 minus n2, which values we have, I am converting to list. Game is over. In single line, you can write the code like a single line also you can write the code without any for loop. This is a like a simple method. If you know the set logic, this is a very very simple method. The logic is your n1 minus n2. In list we don't have n1 minus n2. That is a drawback with the list. If you want to check that once, if suppose before itself I want print your n1 minus n2 before, like set. Done. See, so we don't have minus operator in list. That is a drawback with the list. So using set, simple logic to different between two arrays. Okay, so this is about our problem, LeetCode number 215 problem. If you check it in LeetCode, so this is the problem. It's an easy problem. It's a easy problem, and same topic we discussed right now. We can copy paste here and get your answer. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Of any queries, you have different ideas, please comment me. If you comment me means I will discuss in different ways, and if you have any queries also, we'll discuss. Better is I need some suggestions from you guys, so please comment me. And if you really like my videos, please share these videos to everyone, to your friends, to learn the basic about Python. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as IR channel. Thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.